They called it a war. We brought machine guns to fight birds. The heat alone is the true enemy out here.
In 1932, we went to war. Our enemy was not a nation.
Report when they cross the fence line.
Yes, sir. Target's in sight.
We had machine guns. They had, well, they were just hungry birds.
Engage.
Firing! They're too fast! They're everywhere! Ah! Lead them! Lead them, you fool! They employed perfect guerrilla tactics. They had no general, no plan, pure instinct. It's jammed. Sir, the gun is jammed. That day, we didn't lose a battle. We lost our dignity to birds.